Alrighty, so for this one, I'm doing exercise 2.7. And the question is, a car is stopped at a traffic light. It then travels along a straight road such that its distance from the light is given by bt squared minus ct cubed. And it gives us that b equals 2.4 meters per second squared and c equals 0.120 meters per second cubed. So A of this question is asking us, what is the average velocity on the interval of 0 to 10 seconds? So to start off, we have that the average velocity is equal to change in x over change in t, which will equal just the simple slope equation. This is the first point, over time 2 minus time 1. And then we just plug in what we have for those values, which these are the times. So we plug in that. So I have here that x of t minus x of 0 over 10 minus 0 is equal to 12 meters per second. And that is our average velocity. Oh, wait, keep going. Did you stop?
No.
Is that in there now? I can cut it out.
Yeah.
I can cut it out.
Yeah.
If not. Okay, part B is asking us what is the instantaneous velocity. Oh, going back to part A, I just plugged in what we had for our position equation that they gave us. Okay, back to part B. So what is our instantaneous velocity? At times 0, 5, and 10 seconds. So let's see here. Velocity is equal to the derivative of position, which is just from the equation they gave us, 2bt minus 3ct squared. Once again, b being 2.40 and c being 1.20. Alrighty. So, and then I just plug in each point into here. So I have that the instantaneous velocity at time 0 is 0 meters per second. And then instantaneous velocity at time 5 is 2 times 2.40 times 5 minus 3 times 0.020 times 5 squared. And that gives us 15 meters per second. Alrighty, and then for our last point for part B, we do v instantaneous velocity at time 10. And if we just plug in 10 for all of these, we will get 12 meters per second. All right, and that is it for B. And then finally, C is asking us, where does the velocity cross the axis again? And I just put in the equation on my calculator and then did second calc and then solved for zeros. And I got that it crosses the axis at x equals 13.33. All right, that is it for 2.7.